Employees, and especially younger employees, are looking for the same technology at work that they have at home. Consumerisation of devices in the workplace is bringing new challenges for organisations. And many IT organisations have struggled to keep up with the streamlined and ever-advancing personal technologies owned by employees and the changing expectations about how people like to work. We'll show you how you can deliver the next generation workplace experience. Tomorrow's workplace, today.
I know that I walk into a customer and I address 4 fundamental principles in a collaboration conversation. They are mobile, social, video and virtual.
This is not connecting up to a personal Gmail account. This is getting access to serious corporate resources.
There's a massive increase in demand, predominantly because of the iPads and iPhones, influx of that. The fact that everyone has them at home and they're hoping to be able to connect their home devices into our network.
How can we allow our people to do this and do it easily and do it in a way that they're used to doing at home, but do it in a secure way?
The smartphone has had a remarkable impact in our expectation of being able to bring a device into an organisation and being able to connect both to our work and to our life.
These challenges are driving a change in how organisations deploy and support end-user clients, with a strong uptake in bring-your-own desktop models. A Logicalis survey shows 45% of respondents have plans to implement desktop virtualization within 12 months, or that it's part of the IT strategy. Analysts see desktop virtualization as a top 5 technology, with 20% of users implementing in the next 12 months, and 40% in the next 24. 62% of Australian organisations are planning to procure tablets in the next 12 months. And by the end of 2013, the number of organisations that have implemented work-shifting policies for part or all of their workforce would have increased from 37% to a massive 93%. Countries like China, Germany, the US, India and Australia have the most aggressive client virtualisation deployment plans.
There's a big transformational change in today's workspace. We're seeing a big change in the next generation of workers coming through, your Generation Net. They've been brought up now with different form factors, different devices, and they're comfortable utilising the technology at home, and they want to have that same experience in the workforce. And studies have shown that they're a lot more comfortable with the technology and familiar with it, then their productivity is increased and they start getting a lot more efficiencies. You've got people with mobile devices or laptops and roaming users. People are copying their data locally, people are losing laptops or they get stolen, and a lot of the times it's not protected or backed up into the corporate network. So one of the major things that we're seeing at the moment, if IT can't supply them an environment where they can be effective and comfortable with their own device, they will make their own space. So what we're seeing is they will go out to the internet and use storage as a service such as Dropbox or Boxnet. So the data is getting out of the organisation anyway, purely because IT is not keeping up with the demand.